Sendcloud versus Packlink, an in-depth comparison about the tools. Introduction. In this video, we're diving into a comparison between two popular shipping and logistics software solutions, Sendcloud and Packlink. Both of these tools offer a wide range of features that can help streamline your shipping process, but they do have their own unique advantages and disadvantages. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of which software might be the best fit for your shipping needs. So let's get started. Features of Sendcloud. Let's kick things off by talking about the features of both Sendcloud and Packlink. Sendcloud is a shipping platform designed to simplify the entire shipping process. It offers features like multi-carrier integration, label printing, automatic tracking updates, and a shipping dashboard that allows you to manage all your orders in one place. Plus, it has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for anyone to navigate. Features of Packlink. Packlink, on the other hand, is another strong player in the shipping software game. It also provides multi-carrier integration, bulk label printing, shipment tracking, and a user-friendly interface. What sets Packlink apart is its focus on offering shipping solutions to both individuals and businesses, making it a versatile choice for various users. Pros of Sendcloud. Comprehensive multi-carrier support. Sendcloud offers integration with a range of carriers, including major players like FedEx, UPS, and DHL. This versatility allows you to choose the carrier that best suits your shipping needs. E-commerce platform integration. It seamlessly integrates with popular e-commerce tools like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. This means that your order and shipping management can be centralized, making it easier to handle. Automatic tracking updates. Sendcloud provides automatic tracking updates for both you and your customers. This feature enhances enhances transparency and customer satisfaction as everyone can easily track the shipment's progress. User-friendly interface. The software boosts a user-friendly interface, making it accessible and efficient for users of all levels of tech savviness. Efficient label printing. Sendcloud offers efficient label printing and customization options, streamlining the label creation process. Cons of Sendcloud. Pricing. One of the potential drawbacks is that Sendcloud's pricing can be on the higher side, especially for smaller businesses. It's essential to carefully consider the most implications for your specific needs. Complexity for some users. While the feature-rich nature of Sendcloud is a pro for many, some users might find it overwhelming due to the abundance of features. Pros of Packlink. Wide range of shipping options. Packlink provides an extensive range of shipping options, catering to both individuals and businesses. This versatility makes it suitable for various user types. Competitive shipping rates. Thanks to its partnerships with major carriers, Packlink often offers competitive shipping rates, potentially saving you money on shipping costs. Pros of Packlink. User-friendly interface. Similar to Sendcloud, Packlink boasts a user-friendly interface that's suitable for beginners. You can quickly get started with shipping tasks. Integration with e-commerce platforms. Packlink supports integration with various e-commerce platforms, simplifying the shipping process for online businesses. Global shipping. Packlink supports shipping to multiple countries, making it a suitable choice if you have an international customer base. Cons of Packlink. Limited carrier options. When compared to Sendcloud, Packlink offers a more limited selection of carriers. Depending on your specific requirements, this could be a drawback. Tracking issues. Some users have reported occasional issues with the tracking updates, which could impact the accuracy of shipment tracking. Customer support. Customer support experiences with Packlink may not always meet users' expectations in terms of responsiveness and problem resolution. Pricing showdown. Now let's talk about the pricing plans for Sendcloud and Packlink. Sendcloud offers different pricing tiers based on the volume of shipments you handle. It starts with a free plan for smaller businesses and goes up to the higher tier plans with more advanced features. Keep in mind that the pricing can vary depending on your location and the carriers you choose. Packlink also provides a range of pricing options, including a free plan with basic features and premium plans tailored to your specific needs. They often emphasize competitive shipping rates, so you'll want to compare the cost saving against your shipping volume. Unique features. Here's where it gets interesting. What makes each software unique? SendCloud's uniqueness lies in its robust integration with various e-commerce platforms, making it a go-to choice for online businesses. It also shines in providing automated tracking updates, which can greatly improve the customer experience. Backlink, on the other hand, stands out for its focus on offering shipping solutions to both individual and businesses. It's an excellent choice if you're a small business owner or an individual shipper looking for a cost-effective options. So, SendCloud or Packlink, which software should you choose? The answer depends on your specific needs. If you're running a thriving e-commerce business and need a comprehensive shipping solution with seamless integration and automated tracking, SendCloud might be your best bet. On the other hand, if you're an individual shipper or a small business owner looking for competitive shipping rates and user-friendly features, Backlink could be the right choice for you. Ultimately, the best software for you will depend on your unique shipping requirements and budget. Both SendCloud and Packlink offer valuable tools to streamline your shipping process, so it's all about finding the perfect fit for your needs. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us in this comparison of SendCloud and Packlink. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision. If you found this content useful, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions or experiences with these shipping solutions, share them in the comments below. If you want to get started with Sendcloud or Packlink, you will see a link in the description and in the comments down below. For now, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.